Welcome to the Walking Code online course with Dr. Todd Martin. Who would have thought that one of the most fundamental activities in life could be so easy to get wrong, and that getting it wrong could cause so much damage and pain? That activity is walking. If you think you have a problem with the way you walk, you are not alone. The walking code is based on a unique analysis of fundamental Tai Chi theory applied to normal daily activities that can often lead to pain when done incorrectly. Activities like simply walking down the street. Activities like walking uphill and walking downhill, which can cause pain in the knees, hips, and back when not done correctly. Walking upstairs, which is not only a common source of knee pain, but can also become a significant barrier to daily activities, especially as people get older. Walking downstairs is another common problem that causes pain and actually becomes very dangerous with age due to poor balance and incorrect body function. Learn how incorrect movement can damage the joints, including the feet, the ankles, the knees, the hips, and the back. The walking code teaches you how to use your core correctly so that you can keep your spine aligned and move fluidly with minimal impact on your joints. The walking code not only shows how to move correctly, it also demonstrates the reasons for some of the most common walking problems and shows how to correct them.
I'm going to describe some abnormal walking patterns that many people fall into that can eventually lead to wear and tear on the joints and pain. When we see other videos out there on abnormal gait patterns, what we're commonly seeing is abnormal gait patterns that are associated with diseases, specifically diseases of the neurologic system like Parkinson's disease or cerebral palsy. But that is a small minority of the abnormal gaits that are out there. If you walk around the mall or any crowded place, you will see abnormal gaits in a very good percentage of people. Whether it's the duck-footed walk, whether it's pitching forward, whether it's bobbing up and down, swinging the arms to the side, you will see all kinds of abnormal gaits in people who do not have a medical condition. I'd like to help people recognize abnormal gait patterns that are there not because of a medical condition, but just because of a bad habit. Those types of abnormal gait patterns can be corrected, and that can prevent significant wear and tear on the joints and eventually prevent pain that's going to come down the road if those abnormal gait patterns are sustained.
Abnormal walking patterns lead to misalignment of the spine and incorrect alignment of the joints that leads to wear and tear and eventually leads to pain. A variety of different walking patterns that people develop cause this type of misalignment, and is usually caused by misunderstanding of how to move properly from the core. The walking code will teach you how to move properly from the core, giving you the ability to correct these imbalances. The walking code has corrective exercises designed to help restore proper posture, balance, and gait. The Walking Code online course has over 60 videos designed to take you from the basics of posture and foot placement through a development of a true conscious understanding of how to create balanced, functional movement using your core. There is no other course like the Walking Code, which will give you a deep understanding of how your body works. That understanding will help you to move more fluidly, with more confidence, and ultimately reduce your risk of pain caused by incorrect movement patterns. The Walking Code online course is now exclusively available at toddmartinmd.com. Start now and begin your journey to more fluid, pain-free movement.